Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. My name is Sean and good afternoon and good evening. This year I'd like to bring you my Christmas message, which is to back up all of your photos and all of your videos, because what could be better than the present of peace of mind? Now, the reason why I bring you this video is because I won a competition, and I'm not trying to brag, but I'm quite excited. I won a competition from a company called Seagate, and what they've sent me here is a little package with a little letter on it, which I'm going to read to you all now. The letter is hello at Technology Australia. Also, you should subscribe if you haven't already. From all of us here at Seagate, we're thrilled to give you 2 times 8TB Seagate Ironwolfs on us. Our hope is to spread love, cheer, and hard drives this holiday season. If you're excited about your new Ironwolfs, we would love for you to take photos and unboxing and tag us in your posts or stories at Seagate. Please email us, blah 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 blah. So anyway, I've had these drives now for a little while and I'm pretty excited, and I haven't had the chance to unbox them, but I'm going to do it now as an early Christmas present to myself. My NAS is kind of running out of space, even though we recently upgraded it a while ago, so if you haven't checked out that video, maybe go back and check out that one. It's got 8TB of storage, and we've got about 1 terabyte left, and I entered this competition hoping to get something from them, but not expecting anything. And what I managed to win was, as you heard, 2 8TB drives, and they're the Ironwolf ones, so they're about $450 each, so thank you Seagate, I very much appreciate it. And now I've just got to figure out how to implement them into my current NAS, because all the hard drive bays are populated. I've got to take out 2 of those drives, replace them with these 2 drives, and hopefully that will increase my storage to like maybe 12 terabytes or something like that. So, 2 8TB Ironwolfs for the NAS. The Ironwolf drives are drives that can run 24/7, 365 days a year, compared to the standard Barracuda ones. They're rated for about 200 megabytes per second compared to my current 4 terabyte models, which are about 150 megabytes per second. And I mean, I'll take one out of the packet here just because, why not? This is easier than, there we go. Whew. 8 terabytes in my hand, pretty exciting. When I first got into tech, 8 terabytes and a single hard drive would have been unheard of, and it's the craziest part about this is that it's not even the biggest drive. You can get 12 terabytes, 10 terabytes, 8, 4, 2, like the sizes all vary, and I think, you know, in another few years from now, you know, 8 terabytes will be just like a 1 terabyte drive. So long story short is back up all of your data, back up all of your photos, all of your videos, and if you don't know how, contact Seagate. Subscribe to my channel, I've got tons of tutorials, and I hope you all have a great new year, and I'll see you in 2019. Cheers. All the deep breaths. I'm just wobbling it.